Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that seriously changed how I handle my finances. Like many of you, especially in my early 20s, budgeting felt like a chore. And those sneaky subscription fees, they were adding up without me even realizing it. That's where Rocket Money came in. And honestly, it's been a game changer. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how this AI-powered app helped me save over $400 a year. And what it uncovered in my bank account that totally surprised me. The struggle is real. Let's be honest, who here hasn't signed up for a free trial and then completely forgotten about it until you see that random charge on your statement? It happens to the best of us. Between Netflix, Spotify, that fitness app I used twice, and who knows what else, these monthly fees can really eat into your budget. I was feeling the pinch, but I just didn't have the time, or frankly, the motivation, to meticulously go through all my transactions and cancel everything I wasn't using. It felt overwhelming. That's when I started looking for a smarter way to manage my money. I'd heard whispers about apps that could help, and after doing some research, Rocket Money kept popping up. The idea of an AI assistant helping me track my spending and identify those forgotten subscriptions sounded almost too good to be true. So, naturally, I had to put it to the test. 1 week of AI money management. I decided to give Rocket Money full access to my bank accounts for 1 week. Yes, it felt a little weird at first, giving an app that much access, but Rocket Money uses bank-level security and encryption, which definitely put my mind at ease. The setup process was super simple. I just linked my accounts, and the app got to work analyzing my financial data. What happened next was actually pretty eye-opening. Within minutes, Rocket Money had compiled a clear overview of my spending habits, categorized my transactions, and most importantly, identified all my recurring subscriptions. And let me tell you, there were more than I thought. I found subscriptions I'd completely forgotten about, like a streaming service I got during a free trial ages ago and haven't used since. There was also a cloud storage plan that was way bigger than I actually needed. Rocket Money laid it all out in black and white, showing me exactly how much these forgotten fees were costing me each month. The shocking revelation, where my money was going. Seeing that list of subscriptions was honestly a bit shocking. It wasn't just the forgotten ones. It was the sheer number of them. Even the ones I actively used were adding up to a significant amount each month. Rocket Money estimated that I was spending over $50 a month on subscriptions alone. That's $600 a year. I was floored. But the app didn't just stop at identifying these expenses. It also offered a super convenient feature, the ability to cancel subscriptions directly through the app. With just a few taps, I was able to get rid of those unwanted services. For some that required a bit more effort, Rocket Money even offered to negotiate cancellations on my behalf. That's next-level convenience right there. The savings breakdown. After going through the subscriptions Rocket Money identified, I canceled a handful that I wasn't using or didn't need. This included that forgotten streaming service, $9.99 month, the oversized cloud storage, $4.99 month. I downgraded to a free plan, a fitness app I hadn't opened in months, $12.99 month. That's a total of $27.99 saved per month just from those 3 cancellations. Over a year, that adds up to a whopping $335.99. But Rocket Money didn't stop there. It also helped me identify areas where I could potentially save on bills. While I didn't end up switching providers during my initial test week, the app highlighted that I might be overpaying for my internet service. This is something I'm definitely going to look into further. Plus, the app provides really helpful insights into your spending habits. I could see exactly where my money was going each month, broken down into categories like food, entertainment, and transportation. This gave me a much clearer picture of my finances and helped me identify areas where I could cut back if needed. Beyond subscriptions, budgeting, and more. While the subscription cancellation feature was the initial draw for me, Rocket Money offers so much more. It has budgeting tools that allow you to set spending limits for different categories and track your progress. You can also set up savings goals and monitor your progress towards them. Another really cool feature is the ability to track your net worth over time. This gives you a great overview of your financial health and can be really motivating as you see your progress. Is Rocket Money right for you? So, is Rocket Money worth it? For me, absolutely. The fact that it automatically identified and helped me cancel unwanted subscriptions saved me hundreds of dollars with minimal effort on my part. If you're someone who struggles with keeping track of your subscriptions, wants a clearer picture of your spending, or just wants to simplify your money management, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. They do offer a free version with a lot of great features, including subscription tracking and budgeting. They also have a premium version with additional benefits like bill negotiation and more advanced budgeting tools. You can check out the links in the description below to learn more and see if it's the right fit for you. Overall, my experience with Rocket Money has been fantastic. It's like having a personal finance assistant that works tirelessly in the background to help you save money and stay on top of your finances. It definitely lived up to its promise and helped me uncover savings I didn't even know were there. What about you? Have you tried any budgeting apps or have any tips for managing subscription creep? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.